Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the spring banding station for 2026. Spring banding is underway. We've had a decent morning so far with some warblers and some sparrows, and right now we have one of our common warblers that we are banding today. This is a little palm warbler, so he's getting his fancy jewelry on right now. We at Erie Bird Observatory band birds in the spring and in the fall to help keep track of all sorts of things with these migrating songbirds. Where they're going, where they're staying, how long these birds end up living, all kinds of information. Palm warblers are one of our earliest warblers to migrate through. And these guys will continue on pretty shortly. They will be heading a little further north, going on up into Canada. And there we go. The banding station is open on weekends. Check our Facebook page for which days we are open. We will be open, our next day we will be open to the public. Currently planned Sunday from noon to 4. Normally we are here Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, but the weather tomorrow, it doesn't look good, so we will not be open to the public tomorrow. So another warbler here getting processed. So now, we just had a palm warbler, and now we've got one of our other common species we are catching today. This is the yellow-rumped warbler. This is a very handsome male. We take measurements, we take weight measurements, wing length measurements, tail measurements. All this information gets recorded. Here we have yellow rump warbler. There is his famous yellow rump that they're named for. And off he goes. So again, keep an eye on our Facebook page for which days we are open, and stop on by on the days that we are open. We are Fry's Landing down on Presque Isle State Park. We are just past Misery Bay. Look for the sign on the right-hand side, and that will tell you where to turn in and that we are open. If the sign's not out, we are unfortunately not open on that day. So thanks for watching, and we'll be back next Friday.